What is going on, everybody? Welcome back, and if you are new, welcome too. First of all, I just want to say Happy New Year. I hope everybody had a great holiday season. I've been gone for a while because of that holiday season, spending time with family, traveling, all that, yada yada yada. But we are back to bring you guys more great content. We are this close to monetization because of all of you out there, but we're not quite there yet. So if you do want to support me, support the growth of this channel, if you want to show that support in the form of a donation, here's my Cash App on the screen. Go ahead, do that only if you want to and only if you have it, obviously. But I just want to say thank you again to all of you that have been supporting me and creating this opportunity for me. That stuff aside, we are here for a good time, not a long time. So let's get straight into it. Today we're talking about the absolute best way to find manufacturers on Alibaba. So today in the example that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be showing it to you on the mobile version because that's typically how I like to look for manufacturers and communicate with them, because I could just do it on the go while I'm out and about. So where are we looking on this app to find the manufacturers? Right down there at the bottom of your screen, you're going to see the tips section. Now the name is a little misleading because it's not necessarily like tips on how to do anything, but when I'm scrolling through it, it almost feels more like a TikTok or something. It's essentially short form videos that these manufacturers post to show the behind the scenes, the creations of their garments. Sometimes it's close-ups on garments and things that they've made. Now, what are the benefits to using that tip section? Why do I like searching through the tips instead of the typical search bar on Alibaba? Well, for one, because it is videos, you cut through the amount of stock images. Anybody that has used Alibaba knows a lot of these manufacturers might be good, but for the most part, it's hard to tell when you instantly look at them and the first picture is a stock image of a Supreme hoodie. So typically, because of those stock images, you're going to have to hit them up and ask for more pictures and all kinds of other stuff, when we can just skip that by searching through the tips tab on Alibaba, and we're just instantly seeing actual garments that these manufacturers have made. The second benefit to it is being able to see a better look at the clothing construction, a better look at their actual skills, a better look at the facilities that they have. If it's something you haven't really picked up on before, clothes look different in videos. It looks different on the mannequins. When you get to actually see what it looks like when the material or the fabrics drape, you actually get to see close-up shots of the seams and everything like that. It just instantly gives you more information than the typical search bar and the typical search results. So now that we understand the benefits and why I like using it, let's take an actual look at it. I have my phone out right here. I got the screen record going, and let's just search up something simple. We're going to type in cargo jacket. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and give it a little scroll right here until something sticks out, catches our eye. Now, another reason I like searching through the tips section is because it gives me inspiration sometimes. Having the ability to instantly see what these manufacturers are able to do, you know, sometimes it just sticks out and you say, okay, they could do that kind of pocket, they could do this. It's, you know, it just gets the juices flowing. Actually, I'm gonna stop right here on this green and black windbreaker looking jacket. I see instantly they have weather tape seams. You see that around the zipper, you know, essentially to help make it more waterproof, and it looks kind of cool. You know, we have our two fabrics. You see that the video is zooming in. We see the drawstrings around the top of it. So after you find that video that sticks out to you, you take a look at the garment and everything, go ahead and click on the title of the manufacturer, and then boom, we have even more videos to scroll through, more evidence of the kind of clothes that they can make, the kind of things that they can do. And then you go from there, you go ahead and message them, maybe follow them just so you can check back in. Typically, I'm going to continue scrolling through the tip section, finding a couple manufacturers that I like, follow them so I can remember that they're there, come back, start messaging them, fix designs, my mock-ups, my tech packs, start sending them out. And then right there, you're into the clothing production process. So that's going to be it for today. Super short one, straight to the point. I hope that you all can go out, use this technique right here and find you some great manufacturers and start producing some great clothes. Besides that, I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll catch you all in the next one.